Well, we are back at the river property, and another crew from Samaritan's Purse is coming over to help us. And it's a gloomy day. Unfortunately, it's it's raining. But we'll see what they can get today. They're bringing a skid steer, I believe. So my sister wants to move all the wood that's right there somewhere else. I'm not sure where she wants it, but closer to the fire pit, which is right there. It's not really that far. But if you look, behind this wood, there is a stack back there. She may want to move that. I don't know. I honestly think we should leave this wood that's in the center of the frame where it is. It's already stacked. They did a nice job. Don't reinvent the wheel if you don't need to. So I'm pointing at this tree, and the one up there, because people have told me that you can't have them buried, otherwise they'll die in 3 to 5 years, because they're surrounded by mud and stones. This is a poplar right here. So these things are prone to holes in the middle, so I don't know about that. I don't even know what this one is. I think there's some remnant leaves. Let's see if I can show you those. Might be a maple. I don't know. It's tough to tell at this stage. Doesn't look like a poplar though. Poplars don't usually have limbs like this one has limbs on. This is straight up huge limb at the top. I'm pretty sure this is a poplar. And I don't even know how long this would last anyway. So I don't know if I'm going to ask the guy to dig around these, because this gully's already done and it's functioning quite well. It's raining now, as I said earlier, so I don't know. How deep he has to go to get to dirt. So Virginia walked to the other side of, where the nursery is, and surveyed the mess over there. And we're going to try and get this cleaned up, because we have not heard hide nor hair from these nursery owners. So we are going to see what we can do. And there's a trailer there. I have a question. Does anybody know, if you have a situation like this, can you reclaim something like a trailer and use it for whatever? Or does this have to go back to the owner of the trailer? I'm guessing he dug about 18 inches down. So he's made a dent in this stone pile, but not as much as we're hoping. And we're just hoping that more can be done to make this place like it was. I'm picking up cut logs from that tree right there. Right there. They just left these here. So I'm picking them up and we're taking them over to the stack. Just trying to clean this area up. I don't know if we can get rid of that root ball though. So he's dug down probably 2 feet. He's still got more to go. It's just unbelievable, these stones. He's shoving them off the edge here, which is fine. Off the edge toward that gully. You can't really tell how deep he went, but he says this is as deep as he can go with his grappling hook. I don't know. It's still pretty uneven. Trying to put all of this wood in one spot.